currently sitting on the pier. Today is a very windy day. Yesterday I returned my motorbike, so I don't have any transport to go anywhere, but I was thinking of taking a boat, like one of these boats, to a surf spot. There's like 2 surf spots I know that are nearby that they would take me for like 150 or 200 pesos. The one is this Daku reef that is with this island over here, and then the other one is called Cemetery, which is like a few hundred meters from the tip of that beach into the ocean. But the thing is, it's very windy and I know these spots are very exposed, so I don't know what it's gonna look like. So this morning I wanted to fly my drone from the pier towards Daku Reef because it's the closest I could get to the spot. Then my drone started warning me about high wind velocity. I'm just gonna unplug this mic for a second, so now you can hear how windy it actually is. I'll plug that back in. When I'm traveling and I want to surf, it's quite difficult to figure out like how the spots work and where the good surf is and how the forecasts work. What I'm gonna do this morning, I'm gonna forget about Daku Reef because I think that's the furthest one. I'm gonna go to Cemetery, or I'm gonna go to the beach that's the closest point to Cemetery because the wind is coming from this direction. So I'm gonna fly my drone. I have 1 battery left that is fully charged. I'm gonna fly my drone out towards the ocean. When I need to turn around and come back, it's gonna be easier to fly with the wind. So that's the plan. Almost there at the point where I'm gonna launch the drone. Looks like it's getting low tide now, so I read the spot. That spot should be good in low tide. Let's hope for the best. Look at this tan I have on my flip flops. Yeah. Okay, so I think I found the spot because this is Cemetery, so I assume straight over from here that is where the surf spot is. So I'm gonna fly the drone straight out that way. I'm gonna try and keep low, and I'm gonna try and see if I can see any other people surfing, and I'm gonna try and see if the waves are worth it paddling out because the wind is still pumping. Okay, drone set up, gonna launch it now. Let's see what we can find. So far I can see it is a very far paddle. 800, 900 meters. I see waves. I see some lifts. I like lifts because I'm poopy. Okay, I'm gonna bring the drone back now. Okay, so there's a few websites you could use if you don't have a drone to fly. Or let's say you're in a country where you can't fly drone. So the first one is kind of obvious. It's just to like Google location that you're in and surf spots. Then that'll give you local websites where people put out like the names of the spots and more or less of a description of where they are. Sometimes they provide pictures, but they aren't like solid information. So I normally go to a site called wannasurf.com. They give like detailed descriptions of the wave, type of wave, how experienced you need to be to surf the wave, best conditions, wind direction, swell direction, when is the best time to go, like mid-tide, high tide. This one, for example, I read is like good for mid-tide, low tide. It's mid-tide now, it's getting low tide, so I'm gonna go get my board and go surf. So also wannasurf.com has a lot of pictures, so then you can get a feel like where the spot is and what the wave is like. Are you comfortable with surfing the wave and stuff like that. The other one I use is Magic Seaweed. This is good for not only the forecast, but they also have like a map where they show where the spots are. Then obviously they know what the conditions are good for the spot. Within the surf forecast, it'll show you if it's a good time to go or not. Users can also post pictures on that site. That's also very helpful. Anyway, let's go get my board and paddle up. Sorted. So I had this problem. You see that red dot on my back? I couldn't get sunscreen on my back, so I bought this. I bought this rash guard for 150 pesos, which is kind of cheap for a rash guard. Anyway, I'm ready to go surf. Okay, so I got back now. Now I know the spot and I know where to go and how to get in there. So then I'm gonna end the video here. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Then I guess I'll see you tomorrow.